Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Leo, let's see. The first love read for the month. Let's see how you're doing, Leo, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, first and foremost, a very happy birthday once again. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful birthday. And my subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for being here once again and supporting the channel. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the reading, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. Your dialogue message cards, your action cards, etc. Okay, all right. Action for person A and action for person B. Bottom my spread, I have a little bit of resistance going on, keeping yourselves guarded, keeping yourselves protected. I have a feeling somebody also here wants to come back and maybe try again. Not feeling very, enthusiastic about life in general, I feel. From person A's side, they do want to come back and maybe work on things once again. Where person B is concerned, they feel this was too much of a conflict, too much of immature energy, too much of in and out behavior. I think person B is in that process of leaving this behind and moving on to something else, or maybe just a peaceful, calm place for themselves. So let's see. Leo, before I begin clarifying these cards, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So, Leo and their person. Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. Thank you. Leo and their person. Thank you. One more. Leo, thank you. All right. So I'm going to take a few more Leo from another deck, mix it up a bit. Leo and their person. Leo and their person, spirit. All right. Good to go, Leo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I'll lose myself in you. So somebody was trying to downplay their emotions or their passion or something. So somebody is saying here, I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I'll lose myself in you. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. Well, they're coming back. They want to come back. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. See, I said somebody wants to come back. Okay. I keep reading our old text messages. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. All right, Leo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see if my angels have something for you. Maybe some guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for Leo. So my angels, for Leo, please. Ooh, steady progress. Yes, somebody I think has to start from scratch now. If you want to hold on to this connection, Leo, you'll have to begin again and be consistent. I think there's been a problem in consistency. Too much of in and out, too much of rash behavior. That's the reason this other person is kind of holding back now. So steady progress has to be made to reach a goal. All right. So let's start your reading. For me, this is person A, this is person B, Leo, where you could be either side. I'm going to start with the energies of person A. Person A, you have the Ace of Wands in reverse. Why is that? Ace of Wands, something didn't take off. What happened here? Ace of Wands. Somebody is feeling a little rejected. Somebody is feeling a bit ignored. They're seeing their person in a very good light as the Queen of Cups, very loving, nurturing, kind, independent, single, available, all that. But I think person A could have been in a bit of maybe sadness or depression, or didn't take the offer or give the offer when the time was right. I don't think person A really took action, even though they... One more, Spirit, for the Ace of Wands in reverse. Why are they feeling like that? Yes, the same card. I mean, the Knight of Wands in reverse. This person was not in the right frame of mind. I think they were trying to come off or give that illusion they were disinterested, or just inconsistent, or just trying to be a flirt, or I don't know what. And I think they lost their chance to have this passionate new beginning with this Queen of Cups. Six of Cups. Why are they feeling the Six of Cups now, Spirit? Oh, they have regrets now. They have regrets about how they came off, how they probably gave that illusion of, I'm not interested, or I'm not going to give an offer, or I don't want an offer, and I'm going to be free, and I'm a flirt, or anything like that. Whatever this person did, I think now they have a lot of regret and sorrow about the way things haven't worked out, because instead of getting what they wanted, they thought they could manifest maybe a passionate new beginning or something, but now they are seeing their person as a loving, kind, beautiful person, very intuitive, very spiritual maybe, and also as single and doing very well on their own. Now they want to come back because now they're regretting the way they've behaved in the past. So yes, they see their person as a Queen of Pentacles. They see this person is doing very well on their own. This is the kind of person who should be respected, who should be honored. Instead, what they kind of messed up this soulmate connection. Some bad memories have been created now, right? So now this person is wanting to return. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why did all this happen for person A? Seven of Pentacles. I don't think this person put in any steady progress, any investment into this connection, and certain things could have been revealed in the process about maybe they were juggling, or maybe they were in some kind of a trouble themselves, maybe in their own life, where they were fearing to take action. Maybe they were juggling. Maybe juggling doesn't have to always mean between two people. Could be maybe two things in their life, or maybe business or work and family issues or something. This person was very stuck. They couldn't make up their mind. They didn't know which direction to go. And I think things took a wrong turn here. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. What's this Two of Pentacles? They could have been cheating, or they came across as somebody who was, who wanted to have many options, or maybe they came across as somebody who was a liar, who was a cheat, who was juggling, and maybe this was just an impression. They see, this is like the Magician card. What does the magician do? They show things which are actually not there. Sometimes they could be, I don't know, but from the feeling that I'm getting, this person was trying to portray an image of themselves, of being maybe a player or something, or having so many options. They never really put in the investment towards person B, like in a consistent manner, to have steady progress, as my angels are saying. So how does person A now see this connection, Spirit? Nine of Cups. All right, so they feel this can make all my wishes come true. This is happiness, Nine of Cups. But the problem here is that now they also see that the communication has really stalled after all this rash behavior that's happened. Maybe a little argument could have taken place or some immature behavior could have taken place. Since then, I think communication has really stalled in this connection. They feel that person B is now holding back and has put up certain boundaries now. They're not that same nurturing Queen of Cups as they were in the past. They feel a bit blocked off, they feel somebody is holding back, communication has really lessened, and even though they still feel that this can give them a lot of happiness, they don't know what to do. So one more, Spirit, for the Four of Pentacles. I think person A has now realized that they really do have actual love for person B. Person A does want to have a reconciliation. They do want to get back and reunite. I mean, King of Cups with the Three of Cups is a direct message, right? As I love you and I want to reconnect. But the problem here is that I don't think they've ever said it before. Whatever has happened in the past, it's kind of created lack of communication, holding back. Maybe earlier person A was holding back, now person B is holding back. So some kind of a blockage or barrier has now come into this connection. So what action person A will take, I'll open later, Leo. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. So person B, you're in the Six of Swords energy. Have you left this conflict and moved on? Yes, person B says, I am in a very peaceful place. This situation gave me a lot of stress. I don't want to be in any kind of a relationship or a connection which is going to keep me up at night, going to stress me out, where I have to overthink, why have they not done this or said this or talked to me or messaged me or anything like that. Person B says, I am following my dreams, my star, and I'm healing from anything in my life which gives me any stress. I do not want to be in a connection or any connection where there is fighting, where there is bickering, where there is inconsistent behavior. I want somebody to put in steady progress in a connection. So Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords. Yes, person B has gone into total protective mode. They're guarding themselves. They feel, I want a balanced connection. Till then, I'm willing to hold on. I'm guarding myself. I'm protecting myself. This person has shown me only inconsistency till now, and I'm not willing to participate. I want to have peace in my life. I want to have healing in my life. And I want to sleep well at night. So I want justice. Until that is not done, till I'm not shown equal reciprocity, balanced connection, I'm going to guard myself. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why has person B become so defensive? The Sun in reverse. Why is the Sun in reverse? Things didn't take off. Yes, there was a bit of imbalance here. Things never really, there was happiness, but there was something missing here, I would say. The Sun in reverse is like being all right, happy, but not happy because something was always out of balance. Yes, somebody felt that that person A is probably making a fool of them, and this is a false soulmate. This is not going to go anywhere. There is no equal give and take. I mean, here one cup to the other is equal, right? But this person B is saying, nobody offered this fresh new beginning. This story never took off, and now I realize maybe this is not the person. So I think person B kind of went off into protect themselves here, right? With the Seven of Wands, they said, I am going to guard myself, I'm going to protect myself. And yes, I think they've dropped the idea also of returning at the moment. Things have really become stagnant between the two of you. Look at this. 10 of Swords in reverse. This is like complete ending. Person B has come to that acceptance that if you're not going to do the right thing, if you're not going to have equal give and take, I'm not even spending one more minute on a connection which is going to stress me out. So how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? Page of Cups. What's this Page of Cups? Page of Cups. Person B is, I think, trying to find new love. They could be finding this Sun card upright, find true happiness for themselves, maybe move on towards something new, fresh in their life. This connection with person A, they've been a bit disappointed, I'll be honest with you. This person is saying that no steady progress was made. It grew till about 7 and then it stopped. Like, what's the point? I don't really feel I can trust them now. I don't believe that they will ever do the right thing. I'm a little upset with them. I'm angry. And 3 of Pentacles. Why does person B see this connection as a 3 of Pentacles? I think person B has been stalking, or not stalking, but kind of finding out information about why person B has not been putting in the effort. And I think they may have figured out that person A was too busy with something else. It could be another person. It could be a third party, I don't know, could be with work, could be with anything. But person B is saying that, if things are never going to move, I've waited. I've been trying to, get some clues whether we can move together or not. But from what I figured out, I think it's time for me to make my decision. What is this decision? Yes, person B says, I want somebody who's going to be there for me. I want somebody who's going to honor this connection, who's going to protect this connection, who's going to put in work to this connection. And this past person, I think it's over. They feel this had a potential. They do feel this had the potential if only person A could have put in that work. But since they haven't, I think person B has lost trust and they're allowing this connection to disintegrate. So person A, will you take any action? Hanged Man. Why are you in the Hanged Man's energy? Person A, what? Person A is having some epiphanies. Yes, they have kind of figured it out. Maybe they've been stuck for a very long time, not making a move because they had some strategy going or something like that. But now they have that epiphany that person B is the perfect person to have equal give and take with. They do want a re-beginning. They do want a restart. They want to start again. Of course, do not put in the comments, I don't want to. It's totally free will. And when I take out action cards, this is a general reading, Leo, you all have free will. But heart of hearts, this person wants to have this balanced, equal give and take kind of connection once again. Person B, will you take any action? Lovers in reverse. They've made their decision. They've made a choice. What choice have they made, Spirit? The choice that they've made is that they feel their person never made a decision. They feel my person never made any decision, so I've made the decision for them to release this connection. This was becoming too toxic. I had to heal myself. This person has put in, I think now, concentrating on their own life. They are concentrating on their own work. Or maybe, what's this 8 of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, they feel it's too much work. They feel it's too much work. I'm the only one who's always putting in the work. There's only one person in this card who's putting in work, right, Leo? So this person is finding it too much of a burden. Like, if you're not going to make a decision, then let me just make the decision for you to end it. I can't be the only one working, building this up. I mean, at 7 you stopped. I had to bring it to the 8. But I think I'm tired. My back hurts now. So that's what's going on, Leo, in your connection. I think this person A was a bit controlling. They wanted to control who would be the boss, and I want to be looked at as the boss and whatever. So I don't think this worked out. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.